I enjoy farming games. I know, we are not making a farming game, we are making a survival game where you build and fly your own airship, craft stuff, collect resources and explore. But like, I enjoy farming games. I spend a lot of hours sitting on the couch and playing farm together. Just enjoying the atmosphere, managing the plants and building my farm. So what if we take this and put it in the air? That's my plan for this devlog. I want to add basic farming system to the game. Let's plan this. We need some sort of a plant that drops seeds. We need a planter box to plant the seed, growth logic, watering logic and harvesting logic. I wanted to do something different this week, so I tried live streaming. I made most of the progress live, so if you want to see the whole journey, it's still up on my channel. We have resources like tree or boulder that you can harvest with tools, but we also have some that can be picked up by hand. For example, a small rock. These ones will be useful for the plants. Let's get going. You know what I noticed about live streaming the development while editing this video? It's like 99% talking to the chat and only 1% actual development, but I still really like it. If you don't want to miss any live stream or upload, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification. We have the plant part done. Let's take the seed, plant it, wait 2 seconds, and I can collect it again. Yes, we have fully working system for planting and collecting stuff. Please ignore the model, it will change for sure. What's the big shadow when you pick up the seed? Yeah, I will show you. You pick up the seed, when you equip it, I put just random prefab, and this shadow right here is this big box that represents the seed you are holding in hand. And we have a planter box where you can plant all the seeds. Yeah, Vincent, I wrote it down earlier that I want to do like size restricted planter boxes. Raft has it also, that you can plant trees in the big one. Okay. Now we can set size restrictions for every planter box. We can have a plots for like normal crops and big plots for trees, for example. This is for small things and this one is for huge things. So now I shouldn't be able to plant the seed here, but I should be able to plant it here. Okay. Nope, don't let me plant. Great. Let me plant. Insane. Let me explain how the plant growth is handled. Seed item is an extension of the basic item with few added variables. Growth stage is that plant, but we will get to this soon, and the plot size. Growth stage is an array of object and a float with the time needed to grow to the next stage. In an enumerator, we just wait for that amount of time and spawn next object in the list. Now we can vary how many seconds each stage needs, and also we can easily swap the models. Last thing I did on day 1 was making it buildable. You can now choose planter boxes from the menu and place them on your ship. What's up guys, welcome to the stream. I just wanna get going again on the farming update. Having plants grow on their own is not that fun. You have to take care of them to enable them to grow. I failed a few times in real life with this, but look. We decided to plant our own vegetables with my girlfriend and they grew so much and they are still somehow alive. Can you sense how proud we are? We are watering them and taking care of them frequently. So the plan for this stream was clear. Add watering and dead plant. There was this one bug I wanted to solve before all of this, however. All of our resources could drop only one type of item. Stone for the rocks and logs for the trees. There is no way for us to get a sapling for the tree, for example, so we have to change it. Resources now can drop multiple types of items, and I also added the probability of the drop. You will for sure get some wood from the tree, but the seed should not be guaranteed. I added a new class called drop item with item and its probability. There is this one handy function to check if the item should drop by generating number between 0 and 1 and checking if our defined number is higher. Okay, let's stick to the plan, the watering. I'm cheating a bit because I included some things from the next day, but it's done. Or is it? There is this nice icon and progress bar to show you the water amount. Once the water runs out, the plant will start to die, which is represented by this X progress bar. Once it dies out, we will use the data from the item to spawn the dead plant object. Harvesting dead plants will give you no produce, and you can prevent this by clicking E and watering the plant. We want to add a watering can and some sort of canisters to store the water, so this is all just placeholder. But the growth isn't paused or anything when the water is depleted. It should be. It's not now. Yeah, good point, Vincent. Well, no. I need a while, I think. This is a weird problem to solve, I think. Well, no. Okay, let's leave it for now. I think I'm gonna have to think this through off stream. Weird problem. Well, we killed some time with this weird problem. Feels bad to give up on this. Okay, it was not that bad actually. Here is how I solved it. I saved time left to grow to new variable, to a while loop to check if it's still greater than 0, and deduct either time.delta time or 0 based on water level. This will ensure the growth is paused when the player needs watering. That's it for the day 2. Day 3 was a fun one. It was time to add some content and models to the game. For now, we use this super nice free asset from this guy. He is insane. I will leave his link in the description so we can check him out. I added a few models from the pack with proper seeds and the growth stages. Let's plant it and hopefully let's watch it grow. I press D. 1 second. 1 second. 1 second. It's too big. But let's press E. Okay. The logic is working, the models are just too big. We have a beetroot, wheat, cabbage and a carrot. As you can see, they are still massive. I will get to fixing it, but in the meantime, enjoy the making of our planter boxes. You can build 2 types of planter boxes, plant seeds in them, water them, and harvest them. I think it's a solid foundation for the farming part of our game. If you watched to this point in the devlog, let me know by starting the comment with a dash. If you are new to the channel, there are more devlogs about this game, just click right here. Like and subscribe guys, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.